Tarang, Chhoti Si Duniya. Welcome again, kids. So now we will learn the alphabet N and the word starts from N. Look, we have so many words that starts from N. Let's start. This is N. N. And the sound is N. N. N for nose. Nose. Touch your nose. N for nest. Nest. N for net. Net. N for nails. Nails. Touch your nails. N for nut. Nut. N for noodles. Noodles. N for notebook. Notebook. N for nurse. Nurse. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe channel Tarang, Chhoti Si Duniya.